Let me share another feature that I learned from Mutas, and it is custom properties extracted with the AQL language, or AQL custom properties. So in all these events, I have a bunch of Windows events in here. If we look at the particular events, there is a substatus property. Here is 6A, and we actually can see it here as error code custom, but we want to know the meaning of it. If we actually go into any one of these websites, we see that there is a description for every one of those, and the objective that we want is that we not only want to have the error code, but we also want to have that meaning. To do that, in a separate video whose link is in the description of this video, we created this reference map, and we show how to deal with reference map in there. But as you see, we have all the entries and the actual description as a map, and the objective is to use AQL custom properties to get in here such a description as well, not just the error code but the description. Let's actually do that, and all we have to do is, as we have done before, we're going to do extract custom event properties, but this one is going to be AQL base, right? So we give it a name, error code meaning, and we're going to be using this AQL expression to say, from the table that I just showed you before, extract the actual content pointed by the key error code. We're going to save that custom property, and we see it immediately here. Let's actually go to another event that is not the 6A and see this in action as well. Let's actually go to this event. I believe this is not the 6A, this is actually the 64, and we see the actual description. You can use the power of AQL to enhance your logs and put stuff that, as you see, is not here. You can do concatenation, you can do all the good things that you can do with AQL now with the AQL custom properties.